Hello everyone and welcome. Today we will be exploring Pear Deck. Pear Deck is an extension that can be used to make interactive presentations for your students. To start with Pear Deck, you're going to start with a brand new Google Slides. We're going to go up here to the add-ons. You need Pear Deck add-ons. To do this, you need to go to Get Add-ons. Pear Deck usually pops up right here, but if it doesn't, you can search it right here. I've already installed it, so I'm going to go ahead and get started. Let's go to Open Pear Deck add-on. What Pear Deck will allow me to do is it will allow me to insert slides into my presentation that will allow my students to interact with me during my presentation. Pear Deck does a really great job of having a slide library over here on the right-hand side so that you don't have to come up with the slides on your own. I'm going to tap on our template library. There's lesson builders, beginning of lesson, during lesson, and end of lesson. Learning development, there's critical thinking and social emotional learning. So let's start with beginning of lesson. I'm going to start with a question. What did you learn from your homework? When I present this with my Pear Deck, my students will have an option to type their response. Down here, it says this is a Pear Deck text slide. They will be able to type their response right here. Let's add one more. This says you can draw or type. So the students will be able to draw right on here on the screen or type their answer. Let's go to during lesson. As you can see, there's different slides that you can choose from. There's text slide, there's multiple choice slide, draggable slide, there's drawing slides, instruction slides. There's many that you can choose from. So we're going to we're going to do another drawing slide. This would be a mind map by drawing or typing anywhere, so they can type or draw anywhere on the slide. Let's go to end of lesson. The same thing, you can pick from many different slides. So I'm going to go to this slide. This says, circle how you are feeling. You can also edit this, so you can put in circle how you're feeling right now, or you can delete it, or do whatever you want. Your students will be able to circle how they're feeling and which one that goes best with how they're feeling. Let's go back here. This is ABC, choice, number, website, draw, and draggable. This is to where you can make your own presentation for your students. If you don't like Pear Deck's templates, you can use your own and make it up, whatever you want. This has audio. You can record and upload audio files from your lesson. You can add audio to any slides that you want. This drop down right here says how Pear Deck works. It gives you videos of how it works. Publish and share your lesson. Require students login, so you would want this on to join lessons with your lessons with your students' email and review sessions. So let's pretend that Pear Deck is complete. We're going to go to start lesson. You can pick student pace activity or instructor pace activity. We're going to go with instructor pace activity. So your students will be able to join with this code right here. They'll go to joinpd.com and they will join with this code. Obviously, we don't have any students waiting, so then you go through your presentation.